Good morning, everyone. Today, again, I'm going to give you some revision work that you have to note down very carefully. Okay, so your today's revision work is there. It is about homophones. Children, have you listened this word earlier? If not, I'm telling you. Homophones are pairs of words that sound the same but had different meanings and different spellings. Okay, again I'm repeating. Homophones are pairs of words that sound the same but had different meanings and different spelling. Okay, so I'm giving you some pairs of words here and I will explain their meaning very clearly. So you just have to listen and understand. Okay, so let's start. Your first exercise is there. Use the following pairs of words in sentences of your own so as to bring out the difference in their meaning. Okay, so you just have to make your own sentences by using these words. One sentence for one word. Okay, so your first pair is bear. Bear, first bear. Bear is in animal. Bear is an animal. Second bear, bare, it means uncovered. What is uncovered? A part of the body or other thing and expose it to view. Okay? Bare means uncovered. A part of the body or other thing and expose it to view. Okay? So your second word is break. BRAKE and the other one is BREAK. So the first one is brake, that is a device for slowing or stopping a moving vehicle. Okay, brake is a device for slowing or stopping a moving vehicle. Second brake is BREAK. This means separate into pieces as a result of a blow, shock or strain. Okay, second break is separate into pieces as a result of a blow, shock or strain. Now note down the third one, cent. This meaning I told you in the chapter 1.2. A unit of money worth 1 by 100 of a dollar. Okay, a unit of money worth 1 by 100 of a dollar. Second cent is SCENT. That means perfume or fragrance. Okay. Now D, hear. Hear means to receive sounds with your ears. This is HEAR. That means to receive sounds with your ears. Second here is HERE. That means to the place where you are or which you are pointing to. Okay, HERE here means the place where you are or which you are pointing to. Okay, now your second pair is right. RIGHT. That means correct or true. RIGHT means correct or true. Second right is WRITE. That means to make words, letters, etc., especially on paper using a pen or pencil. Okay, again I am repeating. Right means to make words, letters, etc., especially on paper using a pen or pencil. Okay, now your next pair is C. SEA, that means a large area of salty water smaller than an ocean. SEAC means a large area of salty water smaller than an ocean. Next one is SEEC. It means to look at, a watch, a film, play or television program. Okay, to look at or watch a film, play or television. Okay, this is your first exercise that you have to do in your copy, rough copy or old copy. Okay, now come to the next exercises. Who said these words to whom? You just have to write the name in front of the sentence. Okay, who said these words to whom? How you have to write? I'm just giving you one example. First one is $20. Who said? Have you remember? The shop lady said to Della. Okay, like this only you have to write in front of this words. The shop lady said to Della. Understood? Okay, second one also I am telling you. Give it to me quick. Who said this? Della said to the shop lady. Okay, now in this way only you have to do this exercise. So note down these sentences. First one is $20. $20. Okay, next is give it to me quick. Give it to me quick. QUICK. Now next C1 is don't you like me just as well? Don't you like me just as well? Okay, now D exercise. I sold the watch to get money for your comb. I sold the watch to get money for your combs. So you just have to write in front of this who said this to whom. Okay, now next one. Now will you put the chops on? Now will you put the chops on? Okay, next one. I'm me without my hair and tie. Again, I am me without my hair, comma, and I. Okay, next. There are ceremonies going on and I'm busy. Again, I'm repeating. There are ceremonies going on and I am busy. Okay, next one. I too have a daughter like her in my home. I too, it's TOO2. Okay, I too have a daughter like her in my home. Okay, come to the next. Were children never kidnapped? Were children never kidnapped? Okay. Okay, next. The Kabliwala gave it to me. the kabli wala gave it to me. Okay, now next, just there I'm going, little one. Again, just there I'm going, little one. Okay, next, kind sir, don't offer me any money. Kind sir, don't offer me any money. Okay, so these are some words. So you have to write in front of these words who said to whom. So for it, what you have to do, you just have to listen very carefully previous videos, or if you understand the story, you can do it yourself. Okay, so now I'm going to end this video.